Hello everyone, I am Isa Mistry. Currently I am pursuing BTech third year from Rashtriya Raksha University. We are going to present project fake news detection using natural language processing, which is done by me, Vidisha Limbola and Hima Patel. So here we have imported pandas, numpy, matplotlib, scikit-learn libraries. Here you can see that I have imported some other accuracy metrics related stuff from the scikit-learn. Now we have seen that our data is in two files like fake.csv and true.csv. Fake.csv contain all fake news and true.csv contain all true news. Now try to read this dataset and to see the shape of particular data which is loaded in the fake data frame. So you can see that total records are 23,000 something and 4 columns. Same as true data frame, you can see that total records are 21,000 something and 4 columns. Now next step is to clean our data so we can pass it to our machine learning model. Here you can see that I am adding flag to track my data. So here I am inside of this fake data. I am putting one more column like target and I am giving a value as a fake true data set. I am putting target as true. We have true news and fake news in two different files. So we have to label our data set with the help of supervised learning. We can train our model with this data and our model will be able to learn. Now we are going to combine this data. Here we can see that with the help of pandas concat, we are using these two data frames like fake or fake news and true news. We have just concatenated all these two data frame into one data frame and just check the shape. Now we have to shuffle the data. Here you can see that now we are getting the mixed records like first record is true, second one is fake, and after all fake, true, so on. Now we are dropping date column. Now we are dropping date column. Here you can see that date column is removed. Now there is no need of title of news, so we are also removing this.
I'm going to present text processing. Now we are converting our data into lowercase for further processing. So we can see that we are here converting our data into lowercase. Now we have to remove punctuation. Punctuation is a unnecessary symbol or characters which are useless for further process. So here we can see that we are removing punctuation by punctuation removal function. Then we have to remove stop words. We can remove stop words using NLTK library. NLTK library is a standard Python library with pre-built function and utilities for the ease of use and implementation. It is one of the most used library for natural language processing and computational linguistics. So here we can see that our punctuation are removed. Now we are going to do some basic data exploration or data visualization to understand our data. Here we can see that I have created bar chart of our data set. Then I have created bar chart for fake and true data set. So we can see that how many fake and real articles are there. See, there are 20,000 or more fake news and around 20,000 there are true news. Now here I have created word cloud for some fake and true data file. Word cloud is a visual representation of words that give greater prominence to words that appear more frequently. Now here I have created word cloud for some fake and true data files. So in fake news word cloud, the Trump, American, and president words are most repeated words in dataset, and in true word cloud, Trump, Donald words are more frequently used in whole dataset. Now we have imported tokenize from NLTK library to count most frequent words. So tokenize module remove all white spaces from dataset. So here you can see that our white spaces are removed. Here I have created some counter for fake news dataset and true news dataset, so we can see that what words are most frequently used. Now we are going to train and evaluate machine learning model. So for evaluating model, I have imported matrix from scikit-learn package for creating function to plot the confusion matrix.
I am going to present machine learning model training. Confusion matrix is an n cross n matrix used for evaluating the performance of classification model, where n is n number of target classes. The matrix compares the actual target value with those predicted by machine learning model. Now, for model training, we have to split our data, because by splitting data, one part is given to machine learning model for training and other part is for testing or evaluating model performance. Here we can see that our testing and training data are splitted into two parts. Then we have to apply training data set to machine learning model. We can use many machine learning algorithms in conjunction with our proposed methodology to evaluate the performance of fake news detection classifier. We can use logistic regression, support vector machine, decision tree classifier, and k nearest neighbors. So among all these algorithm, decision tree classifier algorithms accuracy is high. So we use decision tree classifier. In decision tree classifier, count vectorizer, TFID transformer, decision tree classifier used. Count vectorizer used to transform a given text into a vector on basis of frequency of each word that occurs in the entire text. TFID transformer transform a count matrix to a normalized TF or TF-IDF representation. Decision tree classifier creates the classification model by building a decision tree. The tree can be explained by two entities, decision nodes and leaves. The leaves are the decisions or final outcomes, and decision node are where the data is split. Here pipe is a way to codify and automate to the workflow it takes to produce a machine learning model. So you can see that our accuracy is 99.61%. That means our machine learning model predict near 100%. It is highest accuracy among all algorithms.